Hey guys, welcome back. So I am super excited right now because we do have a headband wig. They sent you a few different headbands. Alright, so we have our wig hair. This one is their deep curly hair. You guys already know what to expect, what the inside looks like. And then there's that piece that you attach in the back of your head. Just sticking those combs in so that way my wig is secured onto my head before we tighten it. And now I'm gonna tighten the elastic band that's on it. Thank you. Take some Eco Styling gel and I'm just gonna lay down the baby hairs. Ooh, bag, baby. This is so cute. I really like this. So the unit itself does have like a really nice curl pattern to it. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but yeah, the curls itself on the hair is absolutely gorgeous. This is pretty much the wig, you guys. Literally as easy as 1, 2, 3. Really, within a minute, this wig is on your head, ready to be worn. There's absolutely no work required. Hair itself on this unit is really gorgeous. It does remind me a lot of like my natural hair pattern. Remind me a lot of like my natural hair texture. The curls are really tight and natural looking, so I really like that. I did get this hair in a 22-inch. If you were to stretch it, you can see pretty much how long it is. Only if you stretch it though. It is curly hair, so they do tend to coil up. So it looks a little shorter than what it really is. Density of this hair is 130 density, but honestly it is a little full to me. I would not expect this to be 130 density. It does look a little full. The hair texture is deep curly. The hair color is number 1. The cap size that I usually get from them is always a size medium, and yeah, I think that's about it for specs. This is pretty much the hair. I'm going to turn to the back so you guys can see what it's working with. So again, you guys, I really love these wigs because they're so easy. There's literally no work needed. I don't know how much times I'm going to repeat this, but absolutely no work required, no work needed, nothing. All you need is some gel to lay down your edges, and that is about it. These wigs, like I said, they're a game changer. I'm definitely here for them. These wigs, I do not have to worry about combing my hair when I wake up. I just literally get up, put the wig on, and head outside. So you guys definitely need to be put onto these headband wigs. So that is my job here, to let you guys know that you need a headband wig. And also they are super affordable, so definitely check out Premium Lace Wigs because they have all the good deals. And yeah, definitely check them out. That's pretty much about it. I'm gonna pin this hair up. So these are all different styles that you can style your headband wig in. Like I said, you can pin it up into a ponytail. You can pretty much do everything that you would do with, let's say, your natural hair. Just mean it has a headband in the front there. That's about it, you guys. So I did hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, definitely give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know. How are you guys feeling these wigs? Have you tried it? Did you try it? Have you? Oh, that's what I thought. Definitely check it. Check the description box. I will have all the details listed down below on where you guys can purchase this wig. And until next time, bye.